are going to make pancakes. This recipe is quick, simple, and perfect for breakfast. Ingredients we need: flour, 2 eggs, kefir, oil, and sugar. Let's start.
At the first, we take 1 egg and break it into bowl. Then we add 6 tablespoons of sugar and pinch of salt, and then mix it. After that, we add baking soda or baking powder, about 1/5 of teaspoon. This helps the pancakes become soft and fluffy.
Now, we add 6 or 7 tablespoons of flour. We mix the batter carefully until it is smooth.
Finally, we add 1 teaspoon of oil. We pour the batter onto a hot pan and fry the pancakes 2 sides until golden.
The sun is in the window, it's a Saturday afternoon. Making coffee, making toast, humming a little tune. You walk into the kitchen with a sleepy kind of grace, a perfect happy little smile lighting up your face.
Our pancakes are ready.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Say, of course, my love, let's take a silly chance.